Okay, these are these are the elevator. This is the elevator at, or like an alternate elevator here at the foreign shoppies. I keep on forgetting the name of the place. Looks like a Togetherness. Let's see, I might be wrong. I might be right. Yes, it is. Judging by the chime. Rear door. Ooh, what the heck? Interesting layout. In the basement. Door close does not work. Alright, here we go. Ooh, Tynix! I don't like that fan. Let's see if 2 works. 2 does work. Let's see if we have a motor. Bouncing. It's got a pretty good motor. Wonder what side's gonna open. It might be the rear. Let's see. Yep, the rear opens up on this one. Alright, we'll go to L. I guess it didn't want to chime. Pretty big bumps. Not bad. Alright, that's it.